Hi everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. It's the season of Kala Jamun, so I too got some of them. So I tried to make a sweet out of it and I named it Jamun Bombs. Wash the fruits and de-seed them, and after de-seeding, just grind them coarsely, not paste. Then add 2 teaspoons of chia seeds, mix well and keep it aside for 10 minutes. We have to add milk powder. We get this everyday milk powder in sachets, so 1 whole packet or a little more. So I have added as 2 tablespoons there. After that, take a parchment paper and spoon it on that and freeze it. Keep it in a, let that become hard in the freezer. We need some roasted peanuts too. Now we have to take 2 Milky Bars packet. We'll melt it in the oven or in the double boiler. Into it you have to add half teaspoon of butter. Let it melt in that one. Meantime, you can take the frozen jamun and into the white butter you can add little roasted peanut and mix in and keep it. So now what we have to do, take the frozen jamun, dip it in this one and again keep it on the parchment paper one by one. So here I am doing. The peanut gives a crunchy texture. As you bite, you can feel the crunch. Kala Jamun in English is called Java plum or black plum, and in Malayalam it is Nyaval Param, I guess, and in Telugu it is Allaneradu Pandu. And then I have taken some dark chocolate too, and the remaining jamuns I dipped it in the dark chocolate and did the same procedure. And there remained some white chocolate, so I added the roasted peanut into it and made a thin layer of it, and you can see 3 types of chocolates there. White Kala Jamun with white and dark chocolate, then plain white chocolate with roasted peanuts. Friends, try this, it is very tasty. I loved it and my neighbor also loved it. My son also loved this one. How beautiful it is, white and purple, black and purple, and the crunchy peanut chocolate. Do try this, you all will love this one, especially children. They don't like eating this jamuns. Some only will like, but you try this way, everyone will love at your home. So comment me if you like. And do subscribe friends to my channel and like, comment and share to your friends. This will encourage me to prepare more and bring to you. As such, I am not a big fan of Kala Jamun, but when I prepared like this, I felt like eating, and as I am capturing also, I am taking the video, I am having side by side, I am having and I am showing to you. I was enjoying this. So friends, do try this one, definitely you will like it. Thank you for watching. I will come with another video. Until then, happy cooking.